Hello everyone, welcome back to the video, and in today's video we are going to look at the contains string Dax function. So let's read the definition. So the contains string Dax function is used to check if one string is a part of another string. So it returns true if the condition is met and false otherwise. So this is the syntax, contains string, and there are two parameters like what text you want to find the string, so you need to pass that, and what text you need to search, or string you need to search. So if this string, whatever you pass here, is a part of this string, your input string, then it will this formula returns true, otherwise it will return false. So let's understand it with one scenario. So here I am having one small table: product ID, product description, and price. Let's add one column here, and here you can see in product description I am having organic green tea, organic honey, then protein powder organic. So wherever there is organic written in the data, that product is organic product. So here I am interested in finding out the organic products. So let's name it as is organic, and I will make use of contains string Dax function. Okay, so it is asking for two parameters within text, like in what text or in which text you want to search. So product description, I will pass the column here, and what text you want to find out. So I will pass here organic in the double quotes. So okay, so here it has given us true because organic contains in this string this particular record, right? True here as well, and true in the last two records. But here the interesting thing to note is that contains string is case insensitive Dax function, because here you can see the organic, the O is small here, but I have passed capital O in my Dax function. Still it has given us the true. So it shows that it is case insensitive, right? So how can you use it in a measure? So suppose I want to find out the organic sales, organic product sales. So here you can make use of this function. So here I have used make use of calculate, then sum of the price column, and then in the filter part I have given this condition contains string. So it will give us all the product sales, or all the product price that has organic in their description. So let us verify. Let me convert it into the card. Yeah, it is giving us 1100. So let us cross verify this. From here I will select only the true. Okay, so it has given me this many records. I can copy this and paste it in Excel. Okay, so here you can see 1100. So the same value it is giving us in Power BI. So this is how you can make use of contains string Dax function. And yes, this is all about this video.